What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Philly D here. We just touched down in Bullhead City, Arizona. The TNT fireworks are out in the stores. We got the best one yet, 150. TNT Super Power, $79.98. We got the Megastar 110. Check this bad boy out. Lots of goodies in there, guys.
Shut up. No, it was.
We got Start the Show, $34.98. Sparklers and snaps, poppets, $10 each. Check these out, new neon glow swords, 5-pack for $20. We got the Rockin' 4-pack, $35. We'll pick up one of these. Alright, so come on down to Sam's Club in Bullhead City for your TNT fireworks 2024, baby.